Okay, group. What did you brainstorm about today?
Brainstorm about smoking. Our answer is no.
Okay.
We shouldn't smoke. And every one of us wrote 4 ideas.
Okay.
The first one is Abdullah Izzat. Read your
So read my ideas?
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, yes, I'm sorry. Tell me about your ideas. What questions did you answer?
I answered the why.
Okay.
Because it leads to drugs addiction, it causes cancer, it smells bad, and it damages the ozone layer.
Okay, good job. All right, Evo.
how it starts. Okay.
How did it start?
Yeah. The start.
Oh.
Bad friends who teach.
Good. That's 2 L's. 2 L's. Good.
Bullies. And where they learn that in the where did they buy this cigarettes or smoking items? Malls and supermarkets and
Very good. Very good. Okay.
Smoking I can condemn.
Okay. They do it because they're bored.
Danger.
Okay.
Bored.
Yes. And this answer is why it's bad. It damages the heart. Okay, good. All right.
The smoking causes death to the teenagers, and also the parents, they don't care about their children or about teenagers.
Okay.
So maybe that's the reason. And also there's many friends that can tell them that's good, cigarettes is good, but the finance is not good. It's bad healthy and it's also unhealthy.
Okay, very good, guys. So after we did that, we came up with our 3 answers. What are our 3 answers for why we should not smoke? What happens, sir?
Well, as you
Let him try. Let him try. Harm, danger. Okay.
Some damage
Cause, death. Okay.
small bad.
Smell.
Bad and damage our health.
Very good. Okay, guys, and so now we're writing. How are you writing your introduction paragraph? What are you doing?
We put our answer and the ideas.
Okay. So what's this first sentence? What is a 0?
0 for the grabber.
Grabber. What's a grabber?
The grabber is a question.
It grabs the reader's attention.
Okay, and your question was, did you know that every 5 seconds a person dies around the world because of smoking? Very good. That's a good grabber. That's called, starts with an S. What is that called? It starts with an S when you put a number in. What is that called? Do you remember? A statistic. Statistic. This is a question. It's a rhetorical question, but it's also a statistic because it has some type of number. Okay, and then this first sentence is about what?
About that smoking causes the cancers, it harms.
So they took their idea and they made a sentence. Okay, good.
Smoking causes the cancers and dangerous diseases and all it's caused the death.
Good. All right. What's the next sentence?
Next is about the bad smell. Smoking makes you smell really bad, which might disturb people around.
All right. Very good. And then what's the next one?
This damages our health. Our health is very important in our life, and smoking damages our health.
Okay, and then they're finishing the thesis statement now. Teenagers under 18 shouldn't be able to smoke because 3 reasons. Guys, one of the best ones yet. Good job. Clap for yourself. Clap for. Look, man, you finally did some work today, man. I'm just so proud of you. Okay.